So we have example number 1 here, Maclaurin series. Did we already solve this example or not? Assignment, no? This is an assignment. So calculate the value of e to the exponent 1.2 with an absolute relative approximate error of less than 1%. Okay? So we'll do this repeatedly. Okay? Using Maclaurin series. So the Maclaurin series is this one. With what? With 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Using only the 4 terms of Maclaurin series. Okay? Let's only use the 4 terms. Okay, so how can we do it? Let's do it the same way using our mode 7 function. Okay, let's use the mode 7 function. Okay, again, press AC. If you press AC, we will go back to the function. Okay, then after you go back to the function, enter the equation, no? Enter the equation of the function that we're going to use. What is that? The Maclaurin series with 4 terms. Okay? And let us therefore change this, no? Change the value of this to what? 1 plus x. Okay? So this is Maclaurin series. 1 plus x plus x squared. Okay? So x squared divide by where is the divide? Here. Divide by 2 factorial. Okay. 2 factorial is 2. Okay. Plus again x, but this time it is x cubed. Okay, x cubed is shift x squared is x cubed. Okay, divide by 3 factorial is how much? 6. 3 factorial is 6. Okay. Anyway, you can do it this way or you can do it 3 factorial. We have factorial here. Where is the factorial symbol? Here. Here. The factorial symbol. You can do it like this. We have factorial symbol here. Right? Doesn't matter. But I do not use that. Instead, if ever, whenever possible, I use the evaluated value because to be able to what? To gain or to save time. Because in the board exam, we need so much time. No, we have to save time in order to use our time for the what? Harder problems. For the easier part, we need to save time. Okay. So this is the 4th term. This is the 4th term Maclaurin series. So let us press equal sign, start. Start with 1. Okay. We are starting with 1. And stop with what? 10, for example. Start with 1 and with 10. Step 1. Step 1. Okay. So these are the values. Okay. So 1. N is equal to 1. Wait. Our answer is wrong, no? N is equal to 1. Our answer is not correct. So N is equal to 1, X must be 0. Okay. That is the okay. We have the incorrect equation, no? So start 0, 0, and 0. It is better to, okay, let's look at the start. Start with 0, okay? Start with 0, okay? And then end, then step 1. So this is our answer. So X is 0, Fx is 1, okay? But X is 1, Fx is 2.66. Why it is incorrect, okay? There's something wrong with this. Why it is incorrect? E to the exponent 1.2.
Sir, ano po, yung term ng n is equals to 1 po is one term lang po, which is 1. Then,
one term. Okay. So, it is indicated on the bottom of the pad. 6 terms are required. So 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. That is the meaning of n. Okay. So I was not able to read the whole problem. No, I did not look at the bottom part of the page. So it is written on the bottom part of the page that n is the number of terms. Okay. Okay. So therefore, our answer is not correct because we are using what? The 4. So we will have only the correct answer at the port. The 4 terms. Okay. The 4 terms. So that is 3. So 3. What is our answer on the 3? So still we have the wrong answer, no? So we use 4 terms. So here the answer should be 3.208. And our answer is what? Okay. I know it. The value of x must be 1.2. Okay. Okay, so we can verify it this way. We can verify it this way. Start of 0, for example, and then end 1.2, 1.2, no? And then step 0.6, for example, we only have what? 3.2. The answer for the 4 terms is 3.208, which is equal to the table, no? 3.08, using 4 terms, because we use a function that is having 4 different terms. That is the. So I did not read the lower part of the problem. So, okay, that's how you do it. But because the problem is a number of terms, we cannot do the mode 7 function. We have to do it one by one, no? One data at a time. So we just able to do what here is the 4 terms, and the other one, of course, one term, only one is the answer. And then if there are 2, the answer is 2.2. We can do it for the 3 terms. Okay, we can do it for the 3 terms. Just this mode 7 is also useful with that. You can just what? Change it like this, no? Okay. You want to verify 1, 2? No need, because it is very straightforward. 1 plus 1.2 is what? 2.2. We need the third term. Okay, let's go to the third term and erase the others. Okay, so erase this one first. Okay, so let us again. This is for the third term. The answer is 2.92, which is the same with the table. 3 terms, 2.92, as in the table. Okay? Look at the table, n is equal to 3. The answer is 2.92. We have here 2.92. Okay? So we have what? Press AC. Okay? And then put in the next term. Just put in the next term. Plus x cube divide by 6. Okay? That is no. We already know about this. We already know the answer of this. So I will just show you again. So I will just show you. The answer is 3.2. Okay. 0.8. So then 5 terms. Let us do it. 5 terms. Just add the number of terms here. Plus the next term is x to the 4th. X to the 4th power. What is that? X squared times x. Okay, x to the 4th power is x squared, x squared. Okay, divide by 6 times 4 is 24. Divide by 24. Okay, enter, 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 enter. The answer is 3.2944. The answer of the book is 3.2944. The same, no? So we can modify the mode 7 of calculator to be able to answer this very fast. Okay, it's a matter of modification of the process. Okay, so next. Okay, next you can do the 6th term. So just add plus what? X to the 5th. X to the 5th is equal to x squared times x cube. Okay, that is x to the 5th. Okay, so divide by 24 times 5. 24 times 5. No need to answer. Just make it 24 divide by 5. Okay, just press enter. 0, 0, 0, 0. The answer is 3.3151, which is the same with the book. The answer is 3.3151. Same. So that is how we use our calculator. Okay, any question? Okay. So we are through with this problem. Let us go back and search for the next one. Okay, the next, how many are required to get at least one significant digit correct in your answer? At least one significant digit correct in your answer. If you are going to do it, okay, you have to use the what? Is that epsilon? Epsilon sa best? Epsilon sa best. That is the criteria for the number of digits correct. Okay. I will show you my hand. I will show you my hand. So I will set up the camera so that I can write and you can see the handwriting. Okay, so I have my camera here. Where's that? And I have to spotlight. I have to spotlight that one for everybody to see. Spotlight. Okay, spotlight. So I need the lighting. Why? There's no light. Okay. Okay. We have now a good setup. I think you can see my paper. Okay. So here. Okay. So if you want to be able to solve the number of, so epsilon s equal to 0.5 times 10 to the power 2 minus m. Okay. So m is the number of correct significant digits. Okay. So our answer is what? Our last answer is 3.3. Okay. 3.3151. Okay. So our answer for e to the 1.2 is equal to 3.3151. Okay. And the previous answer is 3.2944. Okay, so let us subtract. We can use the calculator here, but what? This is what? 7, 0, 2, 0. Okay. And then please divide. Please divide the number 0.0207. Okay. Times 100 divide by 3.3151 equals, please compute this one. Let's compute. How much this?
0.624424.
0.6
2442. 442.
442. Okay.
Opo.
So this is the same answer to the textbook. Okay. And this is somewhat different because we truncated here. Okay. There are other numbers supposed to be here. Okay. So we only use 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 significant figures are correct. Okay. According to the table. So that is in the table. But here, if you use that, divide by this, the answer is supposed to be, the textbook's answer is 0.62550. Okay, our answer is 0.62442. Anyway, even though we have this answer, okay, this is what? A multiple of 0.5. What is the multiple of 0.5? If m is 0 digit, this is 2 minus 0 is 2. 10 squared is 100. 100 times 0.5 is 50. So 50 if m is equal to 0. Next, if m is equal to 1, so 10 times 0.5, that is 5. Okay? And 0.5 if m is equal to 2. So using this computation of this formula, this is the criterion. This is the criterion. Using the criterion formula, we find out that 0.6 is greater than 0.5, but less than 5. So our answer is what? Here. Meaning to say, our answer, which is what? This one, this is our answer. This answer is only correct up to the first significant figure. So the number 3, the number 3 is correct one. We are 100% sure. But we don't know if this 3 is again correct. We don't know. We don't know that. Okay? So maybe we need to do another. Okay, let's do another one. Let's extend the table. Use what? 7 terms. Okay, let's use 7 terms. Press equal sign. Press AC. Press AC. And then, okay. use again our calculator. 1 plus x plus what? X squared divide by 2 plus x cubed divide by 6 plus x to the fourth divide by 24 plus x to the fifth divide by 24 divide by 5 plus x to the 6, no? X to the 6 is that is x to the 6 divide by 24 divide by 5 times 6, which is 30. Okay. This is our equation. That's our equation. And then press equal sign. Then start with 0, start with that step. And then the answer is what? Still 3.3192. The answer is what? 3.3192. And our previous answer is 3.3151. So if you subtract 0.0041. So this is our what? Approximate error. This is our approximate error. This is approximate error. How to find the absolute approximate error? Okay, so therefore 0.0041 times 100. Please use your calculator. Please use your calculator. How much? How much this? 0.0041 times 100 divided by 3.3192. What is the answer?
0.12352 po.
0.12352. 0.12352. Is this correct?
Yes po.
Okay. So if this is correct, therefore, this is less than, this answer is less than 0.5. 0.1 is less than 0.5. Therefore, we are sure that there are two significant digits. What are the two significant digits? From this, the two significant digits are 3.3. The answer 3.3 is very much 100% sure. Because we are sure for two digits. What are the two digits? 3 and 3. Okay? So, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay. If we still want to be more precise, let us do 8 terms. Okay? Let us do 8 terms. Okay? So 8 terms, press AC. And then add another term. Plus x to the 7. Diba? So how to do x to the 7 power? Use this one. X to the 7 power. Okay? And then divide by 24, divide by 30, divide by 7. Okay? Equals. Okay, the answer is 3.3199. So our answer now is going to be 3.3199. And the previous answer is 3.3192. If you subtract, is 7,000.0. So this is our answer. For what? Approximate error is 0.0007. There are 3 zeros. And therefore, our what? Absolute relative approximate error is multiplied by 100. This is 0.07 divided by 3.3199. What is the answer?
0.02108 po.
Okay. 0.02108. And this is actually what? Less than? This is less than 0.05. And 0.05 is actually having m is equal to 3. And therefore, in this answer, we are sure that 3 significant figures are correct. What are those? We are sure with this. 3.31. We are very sure of this. 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. That is the meaning of this. That's why it is very important. It's very important. We are actually 100% sure. We are 100%. Come to think of it. We are just estimating. However, we can be 100% sure of something. We can be 100% sure of this thing. Okay? Out of what? Out of our answer, which is 3.3199. We are sure of 3.31. Imagine that. Okay? Imagine that. And then we can do it as long as we decide to do it. Okay? We can do it as long as we decide to do it. Up to the 5 significant figures. But now, we are having 3 significant figures correct. We have 3 significant figures correct. Okay? I just showed you how to do it using mode 7 of the calculator. Okay? So let us go back to our video. Okay. So there are several examples. There are several examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 examples. Just to show you this. So let us proceed to the next one. Okay. Oh, example 2, differentiation. Find the slope at x equal to 3 for x is equal to x squared. Okay, so it's very easy, you know, it's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, how to do it? Please look at my computation. Example, so we have 4, so example 5. Example 5 for the day. Okay. What is this? At what? Timestamp 49 and 15 seconds. Okay, of video number 4. Video number 4. Okay. What is our problem? So we are going to solve for this. What is this? Wherein fx is equal to x squared. Okay? And what? Delta x is equal to 0.2. Okay, so therefore, we can we can solve for it using approximation method. X plus delta x minus fx over delta x. Therefore, first let us what? Let us find out what is fx wherein x is equal to 3. So therefore, try to what? Substitute 3 for x squared here. Okay. So, okay. Substitute the value of 3 for the x. So therefore, what? 3 squared, that is equal to 9. Okay. Fx, x is equal to 3, therefore substitute 3 to the value of x. 3 squared is 9. Okay. What about fx plus delta x? Where x is equal to 3. Therefore, we are doing what? We have to solve for 3.2 because delta x is 0.2 and we have x is equal to 3. So 3.2. Therefore, what will happen? 3.2 squared is how much? Okay, that is the...
10.25 po.
So let us use our calculator. So this AC mode 1. What is that? 3.2 squared. That is 10.24. Is that correct? 10.24. Okay. Therefore, if we substitute it here, okay, this part, okay, where is my hand? Where is my hand? This part is 10.24 and this part is 9 divided by 0.2. Therefore, the answer is 1.24 divided by 0.2. What is the answer?
6.2.
Minus 9 divided by 0.2. The answer is 6.2. Okay. Okay. Answer is 6.2. Okay. And the answer in our problem is 6.2. Okay. Okay. And we can find out the true value by calculus. I will not solve that. Using calculus, we already know how to use calculus. So the value is what? Using calculus, 6. The value is 6. And our answer is 6.2. So there is a truncation error of negative 0.2. Okay. Another, there is an assignment. Can you find the truncation error with delta x equal to 0.1? That is nice. Therefore, we have to use this